PS4, what you're gonna have to do is put the Corsair mouse into BIOS mode. In order to do that, first you need to disconnect the mouse from your PS4. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so you should see that the RGB light turned off. Okay, so now what you're gonna need to do is hold down all the mouse buttons. This mouse has 6 buttons and I'm gonna show them all to you. So this is the first mouse button here, the left click, the right click, the middle scroll wheel is also a click. This DPI switch is also a button, and there's also 2 buttons on the side here. So you're gonna have to figure out a way to hold all these down, and then you're gonna plug in the mouse back to your PS4 so that we can put it into BIOS mode, and then our PS4 will detect it as a regular mouse. So if you're able to do it with one hand, go ahead and do it yourself. Otherwise, you can get some help from someone else to go ahead and plug in the mouse while you hold down the 6 buttons. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold all the buttons down now. I'm gonna use one hand to do it so that I can plug it in. Okay, so I am holding down all the buttons with one hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into my PS4. Okay, so your PS4 should indicate that a mouse was connected. Now you can go ahead and let go. And the way you'll know for sure that your Corsair mouse is in BIOS mode is that the RGB light will be blinking like this. So if the RGB light is blinking, you've done everything correctly, and your mouse should be detected just fine by the PS4, and we should be able to use it Fortnite now. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, so as you see on the screen, the mouse cursor is actually moving now. So that means I can use my Corsair mouse with my PS4 to play Fortnite. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that this fix actually works. So here we go. So you can see I'm moving around with the mouse, I'm looking around, and I'm able to aim just fine. Alright, so this video helped you out. Make sure you smash that like button. And if you want to see more helpful videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.